last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Hollis Spargo. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2015?
Quartararo down! He's at the Vicioso as well!
Is.
There's
Unbelievable!
For the factory Ducatis, Clatter didn't believe it.
They're trying to get that bike into the Vicioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to since the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a Fabio.
What a shocker for Andrea Vicioso. Marc Marquez now has
Down the back straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rins with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
blasted into Quartararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher.
Well, on Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki out, head around, Maggots and Beckett, Quartararo wincing a bit.
The tarmac run off quite a few times there.
He at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around.
Looks into the air, he's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
Give a Fabio Quartararo a shocker for Andrea Vicioso.